838 down to 820, potentially down into the breaker block, and see if that breaker block holds the support. So I do expect a little bit more selling. Doesn't mean we can't pop back up, but I do expect us to come back down into this volume imbalance in this breaker block. So any kind of pop up, you might look to take a short. I know NVIDIA definitely, price can run so fast, and it can be intimidating to trade it. But we are looking again for price to come back down into this breaker block or this volume imbalance before potentially running back up towards the old high. Now, if we do see an immediate rally up next week and we just straight up come out here, we'll be looking to see if this runs the stops, right? And then we see additional selling down into that volume imbalance. So that's totally possible too, because we didn't end the week taking a new low. The low was set on Monday, high was set on Tuesday, and then we faded inside the same weekly range. So something you could also have on your chart, we already have the Monday low, but you could also have the weekly range. You can see also on the week we failed to take a new high, so that's also important, that we had a inside week from the previous week. We ran a test of the previous week low. We did not quite get there. So we're inside week here compared to the previous week. So we'll be looking to see, does this 920 break first, or does this 842.50 break first? And then we can look to trade the direction of the trend there. You also could use a trend line here and just kind of gauge out a little bit of resistance, overhead resistance. And so you could say if it breaks above this, we might target the previous week high. If it stays below it, we might target that volume imbalance in that breaker block.